This asana tutorial is for Warrior 2. We're going to go to Warrior 2 through Warrior 1, so make sure you've watched the Warrior 1 tutorial. All right, so start at the front of your mat once again. Mountain pose. Come into warrior stance with the right leg back. So step the right leg back, heel down, front knee is bent. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders away from the ears for warrior 1. Pelvis is forward. For warrior 2, going to turn to the right side. Then bring the arms down parallel, engage. So in mountain pose, we were engaging our arms down and up. For warrior 1, we've been engaging our arms up. Warrior 2, engage out. Okay? Again, torso is to the side. You can look forward. And here we are for our warrior 2. I'm going to come out through warrior 1. So I'm going to turn my torso forward, bring my arms forward, bring them up into warrior 1, shoulders away from the ears. And on the next breath, slowly step out, shake it out. All right, warrior 2, opposite side. I switch sides, you don't have to. Mountain pose, front of the mat. Step the left leg back. Come to your warrior stance, pelvis forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders down. Warrior 1. Warrior 2, turn the torso. Bring the arms down, engaged, and look forward. Warrior 2. All right. From warrior 2 back into warrior 1, I'm going to turn my torso as well as bring my arm forward, bring them both up, warrior 1, and then step out, mountain pose, shake it out. Warrior 2 tutorial. You do not have to go into warrior 1 first to get into warrior 2, but for beginners, it's a very easy way to transition between the two and to learn the differences between the two. So practice, and then the next tutorial will be reverse warrior.